Hello guys, recently I got here a news Air India Express crash, two including pilot dead as Dubai-Kozhikode flight with 191 crashes in Kerala. So guys, key highlights are the mishap took place due to heavy rains and the flight broke into two parts after landing, and the third more crucial role, the incident took place at about 7:10 p.m. Let's see in detail. The report is of New Delhi. Air India Express aircraft from Dubai to Kozhikode with 191 on-board crashes after overshooting the runway and going into the valley after landing at Karipur Airport. Two people, including the pilot, have lost their lives so far. 5 tenders and ambulances have been rushed to the spot. The mishap took place at about 7:10 p.m. and the aircraft broke into two parts. According to initial reports, the pilot of the aircraft, Deepak Vasant Sathe, died in the mishap, and the condition of the co-pilot is believed to be critical. The cockpit and the front door of the flight were completely damaged. So guys, really it's saddening news, and stay tuned with us. I will update here many more newses. Thanks a lot guys.